listen carefully to the audio file. Thanks for your interest in Rev. Please listen carefully to the audio file all the way to the end, and please edit and transcribe as needed, correcting misspellings, researching names, and attributing speech to the correct speaker to create an accurate and complete transcript. Let's talk a little bit about Rev and its expectations.
Great. So tell us how Rev got started.
CEO Jason Chicola says that the idea for Rev.com was inspired by his time at Odesk. Mr. Chicola started the site with co-founder and former Odesk colleague Josh Breinlinger in 2010. They were joined by other MIT classmates who built this platform, which now specializes in transcription, captions, foreign subtitles, and document translation. Rev started Temi as well.
What does Rev look for in a freelancer?
A strong command of the English language is essential. It's important to know which word fits the context, such as they're going to get their books from there. We also value research skills such as correctly spelling Cisco Food Company, Cisco software, as well as C# and SQL programming languages. Your files are graded on accuracy and formatting, so you're going to need to follow Rev style guidelines. It's important that quality is consistent.
How do you handle difficult audio?
We recommend that agents work on files with which they're uncomfortable. Otherwise, use appropriate notation tags such as inaudible tags for indiscernible dialogue. Please do your best to clear inaudibles by slowing down audio or rewinding.
Do we transcribe non-English speech comme des langues différentes à l'intérieur des manuels?
Use foreign language tags for foreign language speech. If a file is 100% in a foreign language or is only an automated recording, then the file is considered unworkable and must be unclaimed, not submitted.
What about software or equipment?
Rev software is optimized to work with the latest version of Google Chrome browser and using Mozilla Firefox as a backup. We recommend good quality headphones or earbuds. You'll need a laptop or a computer with a keyboard, please. No iPads, iPhones, nor Android tablets.
How do the agents get paid?
We pay via PayPal on Mondays by 5 p.m. Pacific time. Well, that's all the time we have for now. Thanks for taking the time to speak with me.